What is what how to call it again?
Murtabak. This is our murtabak. 7 cook it for us with my recipe. Hi, I'm Caroline. So
She always suffered what name she should
Yeah.
pick to use.
that's why my friend usually call me Oyen. This is our ingredients.
Indian ingredients.
Ingredients. Really good.
No.
Hey,
So we're gonna make martabak.
what is Murtabak?
Martabak is Indonesian dessert. I think in Thai as well.
No.
Really?
In Thai is soury food.
Oh yeah.
It's made with eggs.
Yeah, in Indonesia also have.
Oh,
Called
but-
martabak.
Yeah, but we don't have martabak
Manis.
with
Yeah,
dessert.
this sweet thing.
Manis.
Yeah, manis is sweet. Because this one is dessert.
Yes.
Sweet.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Let's
what
start.
we have?
Hmm?
What
What we have? What do you mean by what we have? We have flour, but the ingredients, like the instruction told you to use like multi-purpose flour,
Yeah, yeah.
which I don't know which is plain flour or
Yeah, we just.
self-raising flour.
This should be behind the scene, right?
It's okay. It's
Because
okay.
you discuss.
And we have a baking soda here.
What else?
Um, should be we have peanut, but we don't have. I mean, yeah. We just have sugar.
Whatever we don't have,
Sugar.
just keep it.
Sugar. Because peanut is optional.
It's the first step to ruin the meal.
And what else?
You need
What
a
are you doing?
you need a hand mixer.
Ah,
or
the
you
wigs.
can-
Hand
You mean the-
mixer. If you don't have
To mix it?
Yes.
Oh,
You
yes.
have it.
Wow.
And we have Indomie. Nothing to do with martabak. Actually, yeah, but yeah. And we
Okay.
have
A few moments later.
How many? How much? 250 grams. Well, the tricky thing is you have to convert the metric.
this
To
one.
US.
250, right?
How do you know that?
Use my feeling.
No.
E.
250. You can Google it. 250 grams in cups.
I'm waiting for this.
Thank you for your mentally participation.
Mentally, yes.
Oh, this is how
I
you
bought it.
I want. Have you washed your hand?
No.
I'm so killer.
250 gram is 8 ounce. Is 2 cups.
Bring you wash your hand.
It's too late.
It's okay.
You already put it in your mouth.
next one.
Okay, fine. I will use half of this and half of this. Is that okay?
Yeah, if fail, it's not mine.
What?
Let's find someone to blame it.
Do you have salt?
Yeah, we have. Baking soda, how much?
Actually, I'm not sure if I use this kind of.
Okay, yeah. You shouldn't use
This
your
one,
phone.
half teaspoon, or
Teaspoon.
of this one.
One moment.
It's not teaspoon, or
This
That
one
one is
teaspoon.
tablespoon though.
This one.
Is that teaspoon? TB is stand for table.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
I couldn't let you guys do that.
I don't want to do it. I just come and eat it.
This is teaspoon. And if you said half of it, it
Same.
should be around this.
Yeah.
Imagine you put those in. What's gonna turn out? Thank you.
75 gram sugar. What the heck I'm doing? First ever mix egg and egg. Hopefully this gonna be
A mess. Thank you.
mixed egg. Mommy!
Hey.
With 35 gram sugar.
Wait, just one egg?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, just go with 2 eggs. lah.
Wait. Follow the instructions.
No, there's no.
But I
one
don't
or
feel
two.
like it's right. Like it's the right amount of that eggs and these flour.
Usually they don't use much
See,
egg
1 egg. See?
for baking.
One egg.
But I have no idea.
Yeah.
Let's follow this.
Yeah, follow na.
And then what?
If
Sugar?
fail, we blame this one, yeah?
Don't fight, nah.
I'm not gonna
Don't
try.
fight. Don't fight in front of the camera.
No, it's okay. It's just.
Do I look like the people who use the
Yes.
power to solve the problem?
Yes.
Thank you.
No doubt.
Water? How many water? Sorry.
350.
Hey Siri. 350 grams in cups.
Cups and grams are not compatible.
Damn it! Actually, it's 350 milliliter.
Yeah,
Meals.
milliliter.
It
Yeah,
will
how
solve
to-
every public problem that we face at the moment. If we have a measure.
Scale.
That's the word I'm looking for. Scale.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
You want some help?
Yes, please. Mix it until well combined with no loops. Looms?
Huh.
I don't know what is looms.
Lumps.
Oh yeah.
It's
L.
mean like
Hey, by the way, what is it for though?
yes, why you take it out. I don't see we need milk. But yep.
But the other recipe has milk. Problem solved.
Because we don't have a actual measurement or scale, so we just
Do you think we need water?
we might need water, but we can use milk instead for some time. Smell right.
Right. Use feeling. Yeah. And then
But disclaimer, quote in quote, I've never cooked this menu, recipe, dish, or whatever you call it before. So what's
Oh,
the when
No
when the
one
butter
knows.
when the butter plays role?
Oh my god. It's
oh my god! There's no. They don't mention about butter here.
Not
Just
now.
set it aside. Yeah, not now.
Okay.
Not now.
A few moments later.
Just look.
คุณดูเหมือนฆาตกรไหมแล้วถือไม้พาย
English.
Sorry.
I love the word just use your feeling. It's so dark.
Is it better?
Yeah,
Better.
yeah. And so smart.
Make sure your pan is hot enough and on low heat. Low heat na?
Go ahead. Is it hot?
It is. It doesn't look right, but
Ah.
the texture of flour itself, it's a bit thicker than we expected.
A lot.
That's why I think
look
you
a
might
lot.
need to flip it. It's gonna be a pancake, like Indo pancake, but not Murtabak.
So sad.
So sad. Can't
So
help.
it's-
How about chocolate?
We put it there later.
Later.
Like you melt it?
It's gonna be melt when it's really hot.
Oh, so you put the chocolate on the bottom?
No.
On
the
top?
On the top,
Oh,
and then you
no.
cut
Like
it in
this?
half and flip it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be in the middle at the end.
Oh, okay. How about the coconut? The coconut.
No
You
coconut
can
lah.
put everything
Not lah.
lah.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, cheese. Where is the cheese?
Hey, mommy.
How about
Cheese lah.
cheese?
Oh, I also have a condensed milk.
Yeah.
Maybe later after.
Finish it. It's about to like. It's too long. I keep it in my fridge for too long.
Okay.
Oh, it's look
Looks really-
bubble.
Yes. The bubble came up as it should.
Beautiful girl.
Finish.
Not really. You just have to wait until every single bubble is like pop.
Does it look like
It's
traditional Murtabak now? It's gonna be.
Should be a.
Should
it's
be.
in a good hand.
Yeah, should be like this.
No.
though. I mean.
5 minutes later.
No rush, but it's gonna lose its heat very soon.
But don't really make it like really smash because it's gonna be melt there.
Yeah, I know. No rush lah.
Yeah, no.
But it's not. It's losing its heat.
You should have done this while waiting.
ครกนี่ก็คือใช้ตำมัดทุกอย่างในโลกใบนี้นะ
Just like half cheese and then half chocolate 7.
You know how heavy it is?
Yeah, I know. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
No.
Already melt.
Yeah, it smells right.
Yeah. Then put condensed milk.
How?
I'll keep it in low heat.
Eh,
You
I
just
think I
won't
need.
help it.
I think I need more cheese.
Let me help.
Hey, mommy.
I don't see any cheese on it.
Yeah.
I put very small amount of cheese.
Again lah. Again.
Enough lah.
Yeah. Okay lah. So, is it fail or not?
Huh?
It's not fail, eh?
No, of course not. And we cut it in half and put it together.
Murtabak.
Oh, it's not cut in the middle yet.
I haven't cut it into like this half.
Uh-huh.
Our murtabak.
Wow.
It's not my cook. He cooked it. Eee.
I'll try to make sure I'm not cut my finger so everyone don't have to eat my finger.
Eee.
It's a joke. Don't take anything serious.
Yeah, I already cooked it though.
เงียบจัดเลย
เสียงแอร์ที่ดังหึ่งๆเลย
It's okay, it's
กู
okay.
จะเปิดเพลงนี่หว่า
นี่ไงแล้วคิดว่ามันจะจับกูไหมกล้องอ่ะตอนที่มึงก้มไปเปิดเพลง
In English.
มีเยอะแยะแล้วเดี๋ยวมึงก็ตัด
I scored her so it's good that you can't hear offensive word no I'm kidding
Like can you turn
Oh, Turner.
manual
wait let me